Hey everyone, this is actually going to be a series of videos to explain how to set up the new blog on your website. This first one we're just going to be covering on how to actually enable it and how to set up a blog and add some posts. So let's go ahead and get right to it. As you can see, we're on the home screen here, the demo website. I've already gone ahead and logged in here. So once you are logged in, go ahead and click on Go to Admin. From here, we're going to go, well actually let me show you first, content files and is where you're going to want to go once it is set up, but as right now you can see it is grayed out, so it's not enabled. So in order to enable it, you're going to go to Config, General, Blog Configuration. And literally just going to flick the switch here, you're going to enable blogs. This by default is already checked. Go ahead and just leave that. That's good for SEO purposes. So once you're done here, go ahead and hit save. And once you get this notice, let's go back to the home page here. So before it was grayed out in the menu here, so we should be able to go back to content and files, and we should see that now Blog Manager is live. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here we're going to create a new blog. You can create multiple blogs, but we're just going to create one for this demo here. We're going to call this the Logicblock blog. And you want to give it that give it the same folder name as well. This might seem a little silly. Of course, you want to make it visible, but the reason for that is if you want to build it out and you don't want people to see it as you're still building it, then obviously you leave it unchecked. But we want to show you here the blog, so we're going to go ahead and leave that checked. Go ahead and hit save. Okay, we've now created a blog. Now we will go into the blog and add one or two posts in here. So we're going to go ahead and create new posts, and it's going to be entry 1 is going to be the title of it, and I should have some dummy text on here. So once this is done, go ahead and hit save, and we'll go ahead and just make one more just for good measure here, just give you the full perspective of the blog. We'll call this entry 2. Again, just dropping some dummy text in there. Go ahead and hit save. Alright, so now we have created our blog. It's called Logicblock blog, and within that we have two new posts, as you can see here, entry 1 and entry 2. So let's go into entry 1 again, because we want to go view this in the store. So go ahead and click view in store. And this is entry 1 right here, and as you can see by the little breadcrumb, if we click on Logicblock blog, this is the home page for the blog, and that is it. That's how you go ahead and get it started up. The next video, part 2 of this, will actually be showing you how to add the 2 new content blocks that we have added in here that you can put in the sidebar right here. So that is it for this one, and that's how you create a blog.